Hello, welcome back to our video presentation on the SQC Workbook. I am your host, Andre Lim, the Director for Lanka Institute of Quality Management. This is the second of our lecture series. What is SQC? Now, there are many definitions and there are many ways that people can say what is an SQC. So let me just summarize that it all is meaning the same thing, whether it's a student's quality control circle or student's quality circle or school quality circle or school quality control circle, they're all the same thing. So this is an SQC. It's quite universal, but you can use something for different ways, just like you can use a screwdriver for tightening the screw for a car, but you can use it also to fix a sewing machine, or you can use it to fix an aeroplane. It's still the same thing. You're there to fix something, and it's used to fix different things. For the SQC is to develop the total quality student. This is the purpose. Please turn to page 2 of your workbook. It should look like this. Now, it's very important that when you embark on this program, every student should have good and correct attitudes. I have made some small little icons to help you. Please have a look at these icons and go through them yourself. I can just cover a few. Number 1, thinking positively. If you want to be successful, if you want to win, you must think positive. We all know this. You have to put in the effort. You can't sit around the chair. You have to stand up. You have to move. You have to live. You have to put in much energy and give of yourself in order to achieve something worthwhile. You have to learn to be a team player. Don't be an individualistic person, selfish and thinking for yourself. Think about other people. Think about the words that you say. How do you say things? The important thing is to be likable. People must like you, and you must try to make yourself useful in the team, and you must play your role, and this is a wonderful opportunity for every person to understand what does it mean to be a team player. And do not let failure stop you. Many times when we are hit with a failure, we just stay down and we don't get up. Okay, it's not how many times you fall, but it's how fast that you stand up. That's the meaning of success. The others as well, you can look at this page here. Please go through it yourself. Right. In this table, you will fill up the name of your members of the team. So how many people are in the SQC? It can be 3, it can be 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Don't make it too big. If it's too big, yes, the work is easy, but it's hard to be managed. There's a lot of logistics. You have to call everybody, and if people get absent, then it's harder for you to get things going. Then again, if your team is too small, then there's a lot of work to go around among the few members that you have. 2 is definitely too small. 3 will be the minimum. Average should be around 7, 8, 6. Around 7 is good. Here is the name, and here's the role. The role of each member associated with that person. For example, number 1, his name Kasun, his role leader. Okay, then number 2, Miss so and so, the role assistant leader. And it's good to give a role to each person so that they will feel important and have something important to do for the team. And that's how you build a team. So the idea is, of course, to make big sounding and important titles. Example, the F&B manager stands for food and beverage. Now this person is responsible for getting delicious things to be brought to the meeting. Then we have the art director. Okay, in real life, art director are paid big money. Then you have the Chief Technology Officer, the CTO. Okay, this guy is probably very good with computers. He'll be the one to do some programming or do some PowerPoint or do some Excel worksheet and so on. Then so on. So give them different roles to fit their personality and, more important, for the functioning of the team. Okay, so you decide among yourself what are the roles that are most important. Okay, let's say somebody is very good at hockey and you put the role hockey player. But there's no point, we are not playing hockey. Only one person play hockey. How can one person play hockey? So it has to be something that is useful for the team. Okay, like a timekeeper. All right, that's good, timekeeper. Or maybe he's responsible for exercise of the team. Okay, that's good. Then here, can you turn to this page here? You can find name in these 3 boxes here: name, team logo, and team motto. Here, write down the name of your team. So the name of the team is really important. Okay, choose a name that has a good meaning. Don't choose a bad name. The cockroach circle. Why cockroach circle? It's cockroach are dirty things. Why call yourself cockroach circle for? You must call yourself big names. The silver eagle, the powerful saber-toothed tiger, things like that, to show your team have good prowess to solve problems. Your team logo is drawn here, your team motto. Okay. Now, use technology. Nowadays, it's very easy for you to keep in touch. Use technology either with your mobile handset or with computers or your tablets to keep in touch. And so set up your Facebook account, set up a Twitter account or Google Plus account. Or if everybody have mobile handsets with Viber or WhatsApp, and make them to groups, and then you can send communication and people can start talking about projects and giving the ideas. Now in the first project, in the first meeting or first few meetings, don't just talk about project. You should try to get to know each other. And usually, like in Japan, members will spend time just talking. You can have it in a room. You can have people sitting around talking about themselves. What hobbies do they like? What's their family like? What ambitions do they have? What kind of goals and aspirations, likes and dislikes? What do they value? What don't they value? Okay, and you can even have some outings as a start, to break the ice. Maybe having a picnic, or like in this case here, this team here, they're going bicycling, and another team is playing netball, okay, or volleyball, just to get the members to know each other. Okay, after that, you need to set up a team code of conduct. Now, code of conduct are important things because these are agreement on ground rules on how members should conduct themselves. So make rules for the team, very important. Okay, so example, given you quite a lot of examples, so you choose some teams will put many, 20, 30, 40, 50, it's get very, very thick, like a big book of rules. Some team like it very few, maybe 5 rules, 6 rules, 7 rules maximum. They want to keep things simple, but they keep the important rules. So you decide among yourself how you like it. It is your team, it's your members. You do it the way you people like it. Okay, like for example, speak with facts. Do not criticize the person but the ideas. Ask for ideas from everyone. Work together to solve the problem. Recognize and consider other people's ideas as well. Then in this page here, page 5, you filled up here your code of conduct here. Please write it down here, and get everybody to sign at the bottom here. Put their signature here, and everybody will be committed to ensure that they follow the rules. Now you're ready to start solving the project here. So this is the PDCA cycle: plan, do, check, action. It is the scientific approach to problem solving. It's different from human way of solving problem. Human way of solving problem, trial and error. Let's try this, let's try that. It's not a good